Using a Visa gift card on Shein is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and steps to complete. To begin, make sure you have a valid Visa gift card with sufficient funds to cover your purchase. First, go to the Shein website and browse through the various products until you find the items you want to purchase. Add these items to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Once you have added all the items you want to purchase, click on the shopping cart icon and then click on the View Cart button to review your order. On the shopping cart page, you will see a summary of the items you are about to purchase, including the total cost if everything looks correct. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button to continue with the payment process. You will then be asked to sign in to your Shein account or create a new one if you do not already have an account. Fill in the required information and click on the Sign In or Create Account button. After signing in, you will be taken to the payment page where you can select your payment method. Click on the credit, debit card option and then select Visa as your card type. Enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the payment process. If your Visa gift card has a zip code or address associated with it, you may be asked to provide this information as well. This is a security measure to verify the card and prevent fraud. Once you have entered all the required information, click on the Pay Now button to complete the payment process. If the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message and an email with the details of your order. You can then track the status of your order by logging into your Shein account. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on international transactions, so make sure to check the terms and conditions of your card before making a purchase on Shein. By following these steps, you can easily use your Visa gift card to make a purchase on Shein and enjoy the various products they have to offer. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and only use it for legitimate transactions.